Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the Vault app version and whether backups exist. This matters because format and encryption differ across versions. Once done, locate your account email, recovery code, and the 2FA method tied to the account so you can authenticate. Make sure the device you used originally is available, or have the desktop client ready and a USB or cloud location for export. These quick checks get you into the recovery flow without wasting time on basic setup. You authenticate with the recovery code or 2FA, and if possible, use the original device because key material often resides there. Once authenticated, choose the Vault export option and create an encrypted archive, or export to CSV only when encryption is unavailable and you understand the sensitivity. If the app refuses access, locate and copy the local database file to a secure recovery folder. The file usually contains the encrypted blobs you can decrypt with You import the encrypted archive or restore the copied database using the Vault Restore feature, then verify entries and attachments for integrity. If decryption fails, make sure you use the exact original passphrase and key derivation settings, because even small changes break decryption. Try the original device or key files next. If problems persist, update the Vault app to the matching version and retry or use the vendor's recovery tool. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, stop modifying files and contact support with logs to avoid irreversible changes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.